Hi there, hope you're doing great. Let me to introduce my unique card and how it was actually created. Let's start from the beginning. The classic routine we should do in the future life. Opening the program, creating a new project with an empty layout but still with a small template for the XML file, which we reserved in this course. Because I always feel sleepy, I decided to create a card which shows how I feel inside. Even 10 cups of coffee a day don't help me anymore. So, yeah. On my sketch, we can see a picture and the text I'm going to use on my card. For this type of a card, I'm using a linear layout. Like this. Because I want to have elements one below another one, it means that I should put here an attribute Android orientation with a value vertical. I've also chosen a background color. And this text view we don't need for now. I created a picture which represents me and a lot of coffee around. This image I should put into the right folder, so then I can use it for my app. Let's go to App, src, main, res, drawable folder. For this picture, I'm going to use image view. For width and height, I'm putting values wrap content. And now I need to link my image so we can see it in the app. Like this. Now let's add text here. I have 3 lines of the text, but I want to have another font for the middle one. It's why I'm going to use 3 text view elements. 1, 2, 3. Just to be sure it's there, let's put specific size for the image. I want my text to be aligned to the center horizontally, so I'm changing the attribute for width to match parent and adding the attribute text alignment. Let's do it for each text view. Here and here. For the first line, I want to use all caps letters. Let's do it. Text, all caps, and the value true. Now let's change the font family to sans serif. Okay. And let's add the special font color. Text color. Good. Also, I want my text bigger. Text size, and let's say 25 dp. Great, done. For the second line, let's just change the font color. By the way, it's the second way how to do it. And text size 35 dp. Okay, for the third line, okay, again, text all caps, true. Now, font family, sans serif, color white, text size 35 dp. For the middle line of the text, I decided to use another font. For this, we need to find the directory res on the left, right-click on it and choose a new, then Android Resources directory. For fonts, directory name should be font and value type should be also font. Once we have a new directory, we need to make a new font resources file, where we will put our fonts which we want to use. I called it also font. Now we have a new file. Actually, I found information on Google. It's all here on developer.android.com. Everything you have to know to make your font looks like you want. Okay, I put the code in my font file with the name of my font. To make it work, I have to put my font into the font folder in the project. And here in the main file, I'm adding the font family attribute with the value of my font. And now it works. Great, we are done. Just one more thing. I want to move my text down and my picture to fill the rest of the screen. For this, I'm going to change the image height to 0 dp and add the attribute layout weight with the value 1. Maybe I can add padding for the picture so it doesn't touch the edges. Let's say 10 dp. And also margin bottom for the last text line so it's not so close to the bottom side of the screen. It's ready. Now let's check how it works on the emulator. No errors, how it is shown on the right top corner. Good. And here it is. Let's try to turn our device. Great. Cool, it works.